In today's video, I will be showing you how to use the Format Painter in Microsoft Word. The Format Painter is a very useful tool, especially if you have two statements like this and you want to make them the same, alright? You might have one statement that has a different font, color, and effect from the other. But if you want to make, let's say, this second statement be the same as the first, how do you do this? And so here is how you can use the Format Painter to accomplish this. What you will do is first highlight the first statement. Once you highlight it, you will see this paintbrush icon, which also can be seen in the Clipboard group in the Home tab. Alright? So just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, okay, you will see that your cursor has now turned to a paintbrush. So you can just go and highlight the second statement. Once you highlight it, as you can see, they will both be the same. And that is simply how you can use the paintbrush. Okay? You can use the Format Painter. Okay? Just go and select the paintbrush. Okay? The paintbrush icon right over here. Once you select it, come and highlight your second text and you'll be done. And that is simply how you use the Format Painter in Microsoft Word. If you have found this video helpful, please make sure you leave a like and please make sure you subscribe. It will be highly appreciated. Thank you for watching and good luck.